left, right, left. Now I just took 4 steps to get here from that spot. Now write this down and prepare to digest, because no, algorithm isn't only for robot. Algorithm is a set of instructions. So even actions like walking is algorithm. Or dipping your feet in the sea before swimming in the ocean. Or reclining the back seat and turning the car key before starting its motion. And I know you want to hear about all of this technological wonder. So, say hello, because here comes the first chronological computer, the mechanical calculator. Pascal was a son of a tax commissioner. Back then, arithmetic task was done fully manual. To him, it's natural for there to be something easier. His vision and the norm was perpendicular. So after 50 trials, he designed the world's first calculator. The metal wheel dies rotated to input number 0 to 9. Rotating the wheels clockwise twice will dice the number, say 1 and 9. The output aperture will supply the accumulation, which is 10. And that is how it computes addition. For subtractions, it gave the answer using the method of 9's complement. And for multiplication and division, it uses the process of repetition. I know it all sounds a bit too complicated, but that's why innovation is needed. Now we have our smartphone. We just touch the screens and the answer is given in seconds. In the smartphone, there are line of codes which is algorithm that tells it how to function, like how to call our friends or how to take a picture. Now I will tell you what makes algorithm matters. Let's talk about the importance of algorithm through the lens of GPS. Firstly, GPS algorithm make things more efficient through automation. It gives us the information of the shortest distance between two locations. Secondly, GPS algorithm minimize human error. It methodizes and maps out the entire globe so that it could lead us to our desired location clearer. So that's all for me. Thank you.